don't know if the camera does it justice. There's just a touch of an off color. The color I put on looks a little bit more blue than what I have. I need to put a little bit of gold back in it. So I have a gold color here that I'm going to overspray and blend. Now that's the way I choose to do it. You can mix it up if you're comfortable doing that. But for what I'm doing, I've just got a little bit of a gold color here. And like I say, just an overspray. I'm not trying to match the color. Now that matches.